Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Vulnerability exploitation. Exploiting vulnerabilities is another common method of infiltration. Attackers will scan computers to gain information about them. Below is a common method for exploiting vulnerabilities. Step 1. Gather information about the target system. This could be done in many different ways, such as a port scanner or social engineering. The goal is to learn as much as possible about the target computer. Step 2. One of the pieces of relevant information learned in Step 1 might be the operating system, its version, and a list of services running on it. Step 3. When the target's operating system and version is known, the attacker looks for any known vulnerabilities specific to that version of OS or other OS services. Step 4. When a vulnerability is found, the attacker looks for a previously written exploit to use. If no exploits have been written, the attacker may consider writing an exploit. Figure 1 portrays an attacker using WHOIS, a public internet database containing information about domain names and their registrants. Figure 2 portrays an attacker using the NIMAP tool, a popular port scanner. With a port scanner, an attacker can probe ports of a target computer to learn about which services are running on that computer. Advanced persistent threats. One way in which infiltration is achieved is through advanced persistent threats, APTs. They consist of a multi-phase, long-term, stealthy and advanced operation against a specific target. Due to its complexity and skill level required, an APT is usually well-funded. An APT targets organizations or nations for business or political reasons. Usually related to network-based espionage, APT's purpose is to deploy customized malware on one or multiple of the target's systems and remain undetected. With multiple phases of operation and several customized types of malware that affect different devices and perform specific functions, an individual attacker often lacks the skill set, resources or persistence to carry out APTs.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.